Hey guys, so this is the video for 8th grade distance learning week 5. We are going to be going back over slope and y-intercept, which I know you guys enjoyed a lot. This is when we use data from a graph to determine the rate of change or slope and y-intercept in math or real world problems. I know it's been a while since we've gone over this, so I'm going to go over some examples with you. You have 2 assignments for this week. The first one is to complete the Google Slides assignment and then the Google form. So I'm going to show you what both of those look like. They're both in your Google Classroom. And first, let's take a look at this Google Slides. It's going to look like this. What I want you to do first is come up here and go to, let me move myself so you can see me, File, and make a copy. You're going to make a copy of the entire presentation, which pops up after you click on this. When you make a copy, that means you have your own copy that you can write on and work on. You need to do that first. Make sure you're following the directions and doing that first so that you do this correctly and you're able to send me your work. So after you've made a copy, you're going to look at this, and everything in red is on this first page. Everything in red is showing you how to find it. But if you go to the next page, it looks like this. Where it says type here, you see where my cursor changes. If you click on that, you can start typing in your answers. That's an easy way for you to give me your answers and turn it in. You don't have to use a separate sheet of paper. You don't have to use a separate email. You just type it out, work it out, and then you can turn it into me. When you're done, I want you to go up to share right here. And when you click on that, it'll pop up like this. And from there, you can email it to me. Another thing you can do is you can save it and then send it to me in Google Classroom or in an email, whatever is easiest for you guys. Once you're done with this, you're going to complete this Google form. This Google form has answer choices. It's a little bit easier. And once you finish this, it automatically turns into me. So this one's a little bit easier. If you need help, please let me know. But basically what you're doing is rise over run. And that's when we look at this graph and we take the 2 points that we know and we're seeing how much we rise, 1, and how much we run, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that's how we get our slope, our rise, our run. Our slope would go here, 5 over 1. When we simplify that, it's 5. You are allowed to use a calculator. Please make sure you're paying attention to the numbers because it's not always one going by 1 down here. Here you would graph them and find the slope. Obviously you can't graph it on here, but you can do it on your own paper. Or you can just put the y over the x, the rise over the run, and tell me what it is. Type it down here. And then down here you're going to do it y over x. Type what you get after you simplify it. You can choose any of the y's and any of the x's. Pretty easy. I hope you guys had a great Easter. I hope you guys have a great week. I hope you go outside. It's beautiful. It's been beautiful outside. I'd love to hear from you guys, Ronald and Paxton, so please reach out to me whenever, because I haven't really heard from you guys. I'm here to help you if you